I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your iPhone is paired, you're signed into the correct Apple ID, and the watch has sufficient battery. If you remember the passcode, go to Settings on the watch or the watch app to change it. If you do not remember it, prepare to erase and restore. Once done, make sure your iPhone is nearby and unlocked so the watch app can complete the erase and restore sequence without interruptions. You now perform the erase. On your iPhone, open the watch app, tap General, scroll to Reset, then choose Erase Apple Watch Content and Settings. Confirm and enter your Apple ID password if prompted. If the watch is accessible, use Settings General Reset, erase all content and settings, and follow on-screen prompts. Make sure to choose whether to keep your cellular plan. Once the erase starts, do not interrupt power or Bluetooth. After the erase completes, pair the Apple Watch to your iPhone again, and when offered, choose Restore from Backup so settings and apps return. You'll set a new passcode during setup, pick something memorable and enable wrist detection and Apple ID features for security. If activation lock appears, sign into iCloud with the original Apple ID to remove it. If that fails, try signing into iCloud.com to remove the device, or contact Apple support with proof of purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.